What's up, everybody? So today, soundproofing the doghouse. So I got this stuff. Not advertising for them, but a lot of good reviews. Rattle Trap, got on Amazon, about 25 square feet for I think about 68 bucks, maybe 70 bucks. So today, the doghouse. So these things, odd shape, right? So what I'm doing is I took the top container, I took the top of it off right here. There's just 3 screws there. These guys pop right out, and I gotta clean. Ours is pretty dirty. Sat in a field, it looks like. So what I did first is I did the underside of the top. Let me show you that. So I'm probably gonna do both. So this is the underside of the top. So there's the front view and there's the back view. So that part is done. So now what I'm doing is I just put one. It comes in about, where's my tape measure? It comes in, I'm guesstimating here with one hand, so bear with me. I'd say about 40 plus inch strips that look like that, give or take a few inches. And what I did is I just put a whole strip there and I cut out around the opening. So this stuff is pretty simple to work with. You're able to cut it pretty easily with a sharp knife. And so I put it flush against the wall in the back, and then just cut around the edge. And then the way you apply this stuff is obviously make sure your surface is really clean. So I sanded this one down. I probably could sand it some more, but I tried a little test piece out there, and it's pretty darn sticky stuff. Don't get it on your fingers. So all you do is basically like tape. You pull this guy back, and then once you've got your piece cut out, it's basically just putting it back in place. So I'm going to go right now and pull the backing off outside and come back and install it. It's not perfect, but it came with free installation. My cheesy line of the day. So all in. So I'm actually going to do the bottom and top of this guy. So this is already done on the bottom, as you can see, but this is where the majority of the heat, and see it's already got a seal, around the edge there, so it's gonna look like this. So under there is already sealed. So I didn't want to make this too high. Keep in mind, once I get the screws, it's going to lower down a little bit, but not much. And I didn't want to make it too high to make it where the carpet would look odd. But then after I thought about it, we're going to be mounting, cup holders and all kinds of other stuff here, for when we drive. So it really isn't going to matter if the carpet is slightly higher. I'm probably being a little bit too picky about that. So I'm going to go now and do the top of this as well. Go get a new blade. Always use a good blade. This one sucks. So just cut around the edges. Not too bad. So now I'm gonna go in and get the roller, roll it out, roll out. There we go. Probably most people could do it much prettier than I, but again, it works. It's functional. Carpet's gonna go over it, and you know, at the end of the day, it's better than paying somebody. So once I got it in here, I could see where the screw holes were at. So I'll just take my screws, pop them through there and there and there, and we'll be good to go to lay the carpet. Not a bad install. I guess I've been doing this about an hour and a half, so not too bad for the benefit of, you know, a lot cooler ride and also noise. So again, this stuff, Rattle Trap Extreme.